Settings. We can also check the health of the device and define to monitor the impedance. In the Health tab, you will find a summary of the amplifier's health today. There are three types of possible messages. First, failures that are system errors, so they are not recoverable. Second, errors that are recoverable errors. And third, recovers. These are messages when errors are fixed. You can view these messages not only in the Health window, but also in the register and from the iOS or Android app. Let's check an example in the web application. Below the Health monitoring window, you can see the amplifier monitor section. Values of the amplifier's output are shown in real time. You can also see impedance values. And the Z monitor switch activates the impedance monitoring, and you can define the range between the impedance should be in. If something happens to your loudspeaker line, will make the impedance be out of range and a warning message will appear. As said, this message will appear in the Health monitoring and in the Health Events Today window. And also, it will appear in the iOS Android application. Click on Settings menu to see the warnings. Once it's solved, then the Health Monitor window shows everything is okay. On the window next to it, you will find when it has been solved. If you're not with the device that day, in the Register window you will find all the data regarding warnings and recoveries from the past until now. Then you select GPI as event input. Remember that it's possible to create an event that activates a GPO if there is a fault. Visit the Events chapter for learning more about events.